let's see how Marts and Paula will demonstrate jive choreography with teaching count. And quick, quick, quick-a quick, quick-a quick, 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 quick-a quick, 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 quick-a quick. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And quick, quick, quick-a quick, quick-a quick, 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 quick-a quick, 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 quick-a quick. And now let's see the same choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take open, hold left to right hand and start with change of hands behind back. We continue with catapult. Lady goes behind man, then goes forward and ends with spin. Then we continue with American spin. And from here we dance steps 1 to 5 of link, continued by throwaway whip. Very good. And let's see once again from opposite direction. So we start with left to right hand hold, and we dance change of hands behind back. Now we dance catapult, which is a very interesting figure. Lady goes behind the man, so we kind of change places, and lady finishes with spin. Now we dance American spin, right to right hand hold, and steps 1 to 5 of link, and then throwaway whip. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Paula. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining us on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.